Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a small haul video. So recently I went to Sephora, which is newly launched here in Bangalore. So I have been to Sephora Dubai when I was in Dubai. So from the time I moved from Dubai to Bangalore, I didn't have access to international brands like Soap and Glory, Benefit. So recently in Bangalore they opened branches of Sephora, and I was like really excited to go and get my hands on some of the stuffs. This is not a huge haul. I bought few stuffs from Sephora which I would like to show to you guys. So if you guys want to see what all I got from Sephora, please keep watching. So the first thing what I got from Sephora is two of their sheet masks. The first one is a rose mask which looks like this, and the second thing what I got is their pearl mask which looks like this. I have really heard good things about their masks, so I'm really excited to try these. Do let me know if you guys want to see a review on any of the things which I got. So the next thing what I got is the Benefit Their Real Mascara, which looks like this. So I've not even opened it from the box, so I've heard again really good things about this, and I'm really excited to try these. So the next thing which I got from Sephora is from their own brand. It's their chocolate cream body wash, which looks like this. I've already tried this and I must say I absolutely love the fragrance. It smells exactly like chocolate. It's really amazing. They also had in other flavors like mango. They also had it in other flavors like mango and stuff, which I'm really excited to try out. The next thing what I got is from the brand Forest Essential. It's their facial tonic mist, rose water facial mist. So I've heard really good things about this. I'm already using the Kama Ayurveda rose water and I really love that, and I thought I will give this one a try. That's why I got this. So the next thing which I got from Sephora is the 8-hour mattifying pressed powder. I got it in the shade Deep 50. So this is how it looks like. I bought it a few shades darker than my skin tone. I thought it would be perfect for contour. So this is I've already used it again, and it's really soft on the skin, so I'm really excited to show it to you guys in one of my tutorials. The next thing what I got is from the brand Soap and Glory. It's their 5 fruit super rich smoothing body cream, which looks like this. It's a huge jar. I will be listing the prices of all these products down below because I don't remember exactly how much they cost, and I must say this also smells really amazing. Can't wait to try it. So the next thing what I got is from the brand NYX. It's their matte lipstick and it's in the shade Sweet Pink. It's a beautiful purpley kind of. So that is how the shade looks like. It's a beautiful purpley pink color. It kind of matches my ring. Yeah, it actually matches my ring. So that is how it looks. When I went to Sephora, I also went to one of my favorite shops to shop accessories, bags and accessories. That is Accessorized London, and I got myself an awesome pair of shades. These days I'm collecting sunglasses like nothing else. So that is how the shades look like. I really love Aviator. That is how it look like. I'm really obsessed with it. So that's it for my small haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. It would mean a lot to me. And if you have not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.